Right, yet again, I'm with this Hoover. It's not working. I've tried everything you said, but you're saying do it again. It's just, you know what? This thing just doesn't work, yes? 1 minute it'll work and find its way back to the docking station, and the next minute it doesn't. So, telling me to do this, that and the other, I've got sandpaper now, machine, I've got some wire thing to do the connectors. So you're telling me in your email, I've got now, what have I got to say? Could you use a washcloth or sandpaper to gently polish the charging pins on the dustbin? So I'm going to use some of this. It's just this like a sandpaper. I'm cleaning it now, as you can see, and I'm cleaning this one. That's on the sandpaper and on the robot. See, it's not even look, it's not even taking the rubbish, the dirt from here into the bin, which it's supposed to do. So it's not even doing that. Right, pins on this side, pins on that side. I'm rubbing the connectors inside. I'm rubbing, and I'm rubbing this side as per your pictures. Rubbing this bit, and I'm rubbing this bit, and that's what it says. And then, like we said with the video, on the right hand side, see, nothing, no spark. Like last time, it's connected, pushed in, no spark at all, the white. So, I've done everything you've asked me to do. It is not working. There's a spark. If I scratch that like that, a tendency to a little spark. That's all I get. Yes, a spark there, which tells what? On that side, there's a spark, but on the other side there isn't. It is not working. I am fed up. I keep sending you videos. You're telling me to do this, that and the other. It doesn't work. So you need to just give me, change it for a new one. Because I'm just telling you now, I'm fed up with sending you videos. I haven't got time for this. I bought an item from your product. It's not working properly. I've tried this, I've tried that, I've done this, cleaned all the contacts, I've used this, that and the other. It's not working. So please stop sending me more instructions to try this, try that. It doesn't work. Simple as that. Yes? So either refund me or change the item, because this is getting ridiculous now. And it doesn't say nothing much for your customer services where you're getting me, I'm not an engineer, to try all these other things. Your item's got a fault with it. You should do the right thing by your customer and replace it. It's as simple as that.